Hello, today we shall understand the various concepts of cost. The first one is real cost. The cost of all resources used in production is called real cost, other than the cost having alternative uses. We all know that there are four factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Now, land is not included because land is a factor of production that has alternative uses. Other than land, labor, capital and entrepreneur are included in real cost. Next is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost means it is always seen when we are selecting an alternative. Let us say that we are having an alternative, two or three alternatives. We cannot select all. So when we select one alternative, other alternatives are to be left out. So the cost of the left out alternative is called opportunity cost. In other words, when we leave the benefit of any alternative to select another alternative, then it is called alternative cost, or we can also call this opportunity cost. Example, suppose I have a piece of land, I can start a factory or I can use the land for agriculture. If I do agriculture, I cannot start factory, and if I start factory, I cannot use it for agriculture. If I am starting a factory, I will not get the benefits of agriculture. So the benefits that I am leaving of agriculture is called opportunity cost. Then comes monetary cost. Monetary cost means all the cost of production which can be measured in terms of money is known as monetary cost. Then we have fixed cost. Fixed cost means the cost that does not change with the change in production, such as rent of the shop, or we can say salary of the manager. Then comes variable cost. Variable cost are those costs which changes with the change in production. Means higher the production, more will be the cost, lesser the production, less will be the cost. Example, cost of raw material. Then we have semi-variable cost. Semi-variable cost means the cost which is a combination of fixed cost and variable cost, such as electricity bill. Children, if you go out for a tour or you go to a native place, or let us say maybe a couple of months, in your house you are not using electricity at all, then also you will get a nominal amount bill, that is around 150 rupees or something like that. So that 150 rupees or whatever you get, that is fixed, whether you use electricity or you don't use electricity, and the remaining part will be variable depending upon the usage of the electricity. Total cost is very easy. The sum of all the cost present in the business is called total cost. Average cost. Average cost means the sum of any cost divided by the number of units produced. Average cost can be classified into three categories, that is average fixed cost, average variable cost and average total cost. Let us say average fixed cost. Average fixed cost means when fixed cost is divided by number of units produced. Same way average variable cost means when variable cost is divided by number of units produced, and same way for average total cost. So these are some of the basic concepts of cost. Thank you.